is the end result of my beef chuck roast. It's just exactly what you expect it to be. Really delicious and very good. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and getting recipes that you might need to find and some that you don't have. Go to soulfoodqueen.net. This recipe is on the website. This is a chuck roast and it is fabulous. Thank you for watching. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this is what I call my famous hot roast. I use a chuck roast, and these roasts are so beautiful. They were $29 for these two, but it's okay. The prices have went up, but we're gonna work with it anyway. So I got these two beef chuck roasts, and what I'm doing now is called putting a, what you call it there? We're stirring. That's my daughter. We're stirring the pot roast, and what we're gonna do is that both sides be stirred, and then we're gonna come back and show you what we're gonna do next. Right, we got the bell pepper, onion, and we're gonna add more black pepper and salt on the veggies, just like that. A little more salt. Well, this has to stay in the oven about 2 hours, so it will be delicious. And then we're going to add some steak sauce. Yes, indeed. We'll add some steak sauce to the mixture, just a little, not a lot. We just want to give it a different little taste. So we're just going to put a little like this. Just a drop of it. Just like that, over like that. And almost like a Worcestershire sauce, so we're just going to add that. And then we're going to add some parsley flakes and cream of mushroom soup on top, just like this. Now we're going to add a gravy, a brown gravy, but we're going to want this to cook into the meat so it'll give it more flavor when we put that brown gravy mix with it. We're going to put this in the oven and let it stay about 2 hours on 350, and we'll be right back and tell you what to do next. Okay, what we're going to do is put aluminum foil on top. Now if you have a matching set, a roasting pan and everything will be perfect. If you don't have any matching set, you can use aluminum foil. But remember what we did, we seared it on both sides, black pepper and salt, pulled the excess oil out, and then we used flour to coat the roast. And I always try to get a chuck roast. If you're going to do a roast in the oven, chuck roast is your best because it's got a lot of marbling in it and it makes it more tender and flavorful. Then we add bell peppers and we add our onions. We add a little steak sauce and we add some pasta flakes to our cream of mushroom soup. And we got it in the oven. We're going to let it stay in the oven tight for 2 hours and it should be ready to put our brown gravy on. Right, I added 3 packets of brown gravy mix to the chuck roast. And what we're going to do is put it back in the oven, and when the onions are done, everything will be fantastic. It tastes and smells wonderful. This is the end result of my beef chuck roast. It's just exactly what you expect it to be. Really delicious and very good. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and getting recipes that you might need to find and some that you don't have. Go to soulfoodqueen.net. This recipe is on the website. This is a chuck roast.